again, you have
so
to call
the Q
EMIS.
option, data quality reports. Okay.
You have to ask EMIS to put it back, and then you just basically run it and export it. And this data is about how you enter the data. So it is about allergies. It is about home visits, if they are coded as the place of procedure and proper. So it tells you how many visits you had and how many telephone encounters and how many home visits. And if there's no home visits, it means basically you're not really coded it properly. Not really coding it, it's actually you didn't put like a place of procedure home visit. And yeah, it was looking into patients who had like few heart attacks or pulmonary embolism, and they were not flagged, and some other like multiple flagging, because well, it's probably sometimes, I don't think that people really had several heart attacks, probably just sometimes surgeries coded it a few times, it didn't flag it a few times, because so it's about tidying up. But it may happen that actually this patient had 2 heart attacks, and it should be set up as problems, because you should see straight away in summary that this patient had 2 heart attacks, not just 1. And it looked into various other conditions that should be really set up as significant active problems, and if they were not, then obviously there's another thing. For these things though, I think I have to run separate searches manually in LV for the flags. But for, yeah, it checked home visits, allergies, and something else, I don't remember now. So, but you have to run it around the same time as you run MyQuest, because otherwise they won't merge, the reports won't merge. It was referrals reports as well. So it was more like prevalence of referrals, that obviously people are under recording referrals in GP practices. So yeah, so you have to do, only for this library of queries, only for IMNTS, you have to run one report in EMIS and another report in MyQuest on codes, and another one that runs on really how you enter through functionality, so how you actually, which functionality you use really.
Okay.
So,
and is there anything else you'd be recommending, any other searches of things we'd be running, or that's...
Well, you have to build them, I think. You have to build them. So if you want anything else or any other searches you need, I would probably start using EMIS Web, and you had this diabetes baseline of it, I think, last year. Did you do it? So I would probably try out, because once you migrate to EMIS Web, well, templates are transferred, but not everything. So I basically build templates from scratch, and I've got a set of templates for EMIS Web. Obviously, GMS templates will be provided by EMIS, and other templates are not provided by EMIS. So, I mean, some of them they are, some of them, like for DESIs or for some lessons, there aren't, so I'm building them. But for searches, they aren't transferred, so I'll have to start building my own searches and trying how it works. And at this time, because you've got these searches available, and the reason for it is so you can still have both systems, so you can run a search in EMIS Web that you know quite well, and then you can run it in EMIS Web, and if there is a very huge difference in numbers, you know that you've set up EMIS Web searching correctly.
That's true.
Okay, we'll not be able to use it, you'll have to call EMIS and they'll have to reinstall something, I think.
Oh,
so,
okay, fair enough then. Okay.